Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make healthy iced green tea. First we're going to start by taking 1 teaspoon of chia seeds and I'm going to soak it into the water for a while. Next, boil 1 glass of water and add green tea leaves and let it sit for exactly 3 minutes. So now I'm going to turn off the flame and I'm going to let it sit for 3 minutes. Next, I'm going to take a jug or you can take a bottle and add lots and lots of ice. And add a sprig of mint leaves. Next, I'm going to strain the green tea. And I'm going to add half a lemon juice. And finally we are going to add some soaked chia seeds. Give it a little mix. So your healthy iced green tea is ready. It is pretty simple to make and very refreshing and healthy for the summer. Now for the health benefits, green tea itself is very healthy to drink and is great for the weight loss. Mint leaves and lemon are again great in burning the fat and very refreshing for the summer. Lastly, chia seeds has lots of health benefits and is known to suppress the appetite. This drink is overall a weight loss, healthy and tasty summer drink which anyone can make and drink. You can store this in the fridge and drink throughout the day, or you can also carry it in a bottle with yourself on the go. It will definitely refresh you in this hot season.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel A Bag of Beauty. Today I'm going to show you how to make weight loss water. The ingredients in this water helps to flush off all the toxins from your body and also aids to weight loss. Also, it is really easy to make because all the ingredients are really cheap and very much available at home. So to start here, I have 1 liter of water, 1 lemon cut in slices, 1 cucumber cut in slices, some fresh mint leaves, and a little bit of cut ginger. So I'm going to add all the ingredients into the water. I'm starting by adding the lemon. Next, adding in ginger, cucumber slices, and lastly adding mint leaves. I'm just going to give it a little stir. So detox water or the weight loss water is ready. All these ingredients in the water help to lose the weight very quickly. Now all you need to do is keep this water in the refrigerator for about 6 to 8 hours. I prefer overnight, and drink it throughout the day. By drinking this water regularly, you will definitely see results. There will be a weight loss and detoxification of your body. I'll list all the benefits of all the ingredients in this water in the description box down below and how do they work to lose weight. But in short, I can say that all these ingredients in the water helps and promotes in weight loss. These ingredients are so good that they not only help in weight loss, but they are very good because this water contained a lot of vitamins and nutrients which is not only good for weight loss, but also it is something which is very much required for your body for every day. It is good for your skin and also helps to hydrate your body really well. I personally think this is the way you should be drinking water, especially during the summertime, for much needed body with vitamins. Also, as this water is infused with all these flavors, it tastes really good, so it becomes really easier to drink the water. And the best part is it contains 0 calories, so I think it is so much better and a very good substitute to all those drinks and colas. It is really refreshing and very much effective. So drink this water regularly and see the results. Please like and subscribe to my channel, A Bag of Beauty. We have many other beauty recipes and videos on our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.